Just a little faith, that is all it takes. Standing
We're here with Mr. Hinds. His house was severely damaged with Melissa. As you can see, completely outside. He lost everything. Were you inside for the hurricane, sir?
Yeah, man.
My God. So how you manage that, man?
That's run out and I'm yard.
Jesus.
Everything go down flat.
Everything blew down.
Clothes, everything, mattress, bed, everything.
Everything gone.
Everything.
See your stove,
Everything.
your washing machine, your fridge, your settee, everything. The mattress over. Oh, the mattress over there. So. Oh God.
Everything.
Everything gone.
Stand blow down everything. See the furniture, everything gone. See, you can see the settee, the bed, see mattress.
You sleeping in his car?
You sleeping in his car?
Yes. True.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
You sleeping in your car now?
I know I'm in the car.
So here, so you sleep. Half I clothes. You're not for sure me that. Oh God. So what you saving it? Alright. Oh God. So here, so your yard for now. So you're curtain this. Don't worry yourself. It's all stop. It's all stop, my boss. Don't worry yourself. God on time, you know? God on time.
What are you giving to him, Josh?
A track about your relationship with Jesus Christ.
Right.
Amen.
just a little faith, that is all it takes. Standing on God's word, He makes no mistakes. If you can believe, then you will receive.
How you feel? You love what you see?
Love it.
You love it?
What? It's you. Jonathan.
Jesus!
Jesus. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you. What? Thank you, Mr. Huntley Brown. In God we trust. In God we put your trust in. Everything will be alright. Stay same with Huntley Brown. Never change. It was for the people. Stay with the people. God bless you.